Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have an update for Firefox, Mozilla Firefox browser. Of course, Firefox had moved to version 134, and that means that, of course, now there's a small update, and the update brings you to 134.0.1. So upper right hamburger menu, help, and about Firefox will bring you to 134.0.1. What does it fix? Well, Google Docs was one of the problems that it wasn't working well within Firefox. Second problem, YouTube not displaying videos correctly is about to be fixed now. And finally, there was some users that moved from 133 to 134 in the upgrade. We're having a Firefox browser that would just crash very often when trying to get it working. So three things that actually have been fixed here with the update to Firefox 134.0.1 that was released late yesterday, January 14th. No security updates in here, nothing. It's really just bug fixes. So if you had some issues, well, check it out. Maybe this is going to fix your problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.